In this video, I will show you two methods to change the icon size on the Redmi 15C. So let's get started. For the first method, just go to Settings, then tap on Additional Settings. Go to Accessibility, then tap on Vision. Under the Display section, you will find the option of Display Size. Just tap on it, and from here you can change the icon size by swiping the slider to the left or to the right side. Now if you swipe the slider all the way to the left side, you will decrease the size of the icons as you can see in the preview. Now to save the changes, just tap on Done and select OK. Now if we go to the home screen, as you can see we have successfully decreased the size of the icons on our smartphone. And if you want to increase the size of the icons, just go to Display Size, and from here just swipe the slider to the right side, or you can select the option just like that. I will select the largest option, then tap on Done. Select OK. Now if we go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully increased the size of the icons on our smartphone. Now for the second method to change the icon size, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Settings. From here, just tap on More, and on this screen you will find the option of Home Screen Layout. Just tap on it, and from here if you change the home screen layout to 5:9, you will decrease the size of the icons, just like that. Now just select the layout which you like. Now for example, if I select 5:9, then tap on Apply, as you can see we have successfully decreased the size of the icons on our smartphone. And if we go back to Settings, tap on More, then tap on Home Screen Layout, and if we change it back to 4:6 or 4:7, we will increase the size of the icons back on our smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can change the icon size on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.